Hi, my name's Jane, and I first joined this incredible company and business opportunity 3.5 months ago now. It really has been an incredibly life-changing experience. In 3.5 months, I've made just over 70,000 US dollars. For me here in Australia, that's so much more. It's close to $100,000, getting closer to $100,000, which is just incredible. The change in my family's life, in my children's lives, has been phenomenal. I came from like a counseling type of background, and my work really drained me a lot to the point where I would get very, very sick. Migraines, depression, all sorts of things from doing this kind of work. And I had to find a way out of that. I knew that there was a better way to use my skills and my passions. And I'm a beginner in this type of marketing. And what this company has done for us is have an incredible experience to have access to amazing educational learning on everything from mindset to business to marketing inside the actual company itself and the system itself, and use that. We are able to use that to our benefit, to employ the information that we use and benefit ourselves and the business that we are running. So in terms of how it's changed my thinking and my life, like I can now have the freedom to, when I go to the 7-Eleven with my kids after school, they would usually want to get, like sushi or donuts or a drink or something. And I would always say, oh God, okay, can you just get like the donuts or just get the drink? And, we'll be home in a minute. I'll just get you snacks when we get home. And, to be able to earn thousands of dollars a week, thousands and thousands of dollars a day sometimes. I'm just like, kids, get whatever you want. Get the sushi, get the donut, get the drink, get whatever you want. And, at the shops a few weeks ago, my daughter was getting lollies for the school camp, and she picked up a packet and changed her mind a couple of minutes later, and she went to put it down. And I said, hun, you don't have to put that down now. You can get as many packets of lollies for your friends as you want to get. Knock yourself out. This has been just an amazing experience. Nights where I've been very tired, and just to say to everybody, let's just go out for dinner because I can't be bothered to cook dinner. It's getting late now. And go out and have a beautiful experience with the family. I could never just do that before at all. So I highly encourage you to think outside the square as to what is possible for this opportunity and just go for it. It's really been so liberating, as I said, and to be surrounded with leaders in this field, incredible thinkers, to have this work at home opportunity. I'm able to take a trip to Tasmania very soon with my husband, and so I can actually work there if I want to. I have that opportunity, and I really could not credit the experience that I've had enough. And my husband is able to cut down on his hours of work and will be joining me in the business soon as well, which is just extraordinary. So I really am so appreciative to have this experience in my life, and I want everybody to be able to earn this amount of money. Some days I have earned $7,000 in 24 hours, which is just an insane amount of money. And, to be able to donate to charity whenever I want to, whenever I feel like it, is amazing. Another really unusual experience that I had was recently when I went to a shop, and it was a dress shop, and I was buying some new clothes and I was trying some dresses on, and they actually had several that I really, really liked. There was 4, and I literally could not decide which dress I liked best. They all looked really, really nice. And in the end, because it didn't actually matter, I said, I'll take all 4. And I've never been able to do that in my life before. So I really want everyone to be able to experience this sort of liberation in their life and freedom. So thanks for listening.